What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to ceramic coat your black car. Now here in the shop we have a jet black Corvette Stingray Z06. This thing is seriously hot and it's got a jet black paint job that looks like a mirror. Now how do you protect your black car? How do you keep it looking good? We're gonna do that today using the Evolution ceramic coating. Now ceramic coatings are an excellent way to protect your car long term. They give a year plus protection and they repel UV solar rays, water spots, stains, and give a great gloss to any color. And they really do look good on black. So today we're gonna show you all the steps you need to do and talk about the prep and the care for your ceramic coating, and then we're gonna apply our Evolution ceramic coating right to this Z06. Now if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Everything from washing, clay barring, detailing motorcycles, cars, paint correction, and much more right here on our channel. So let's go ahead and talk about our ceramic coating. Now this vehicle is gonna get applied with the Evolution ceramic coating. This is a brand new ceramic coating designed for extra longevity and easy application. So what do we do to prep this car to get it ready for the ceramic coating? First, we gave it a wash with our Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash, and we gave it a deep foam cleaning. Now, this vehicle's been on the track, so we wanted to make sure that it's perfectly clean and ready to go, so we used the Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash to deep clean the vehicle. After that, what we did was we clay barred it, and we got all the contamination off the car. That's super important right before you apply your ceramic coating. And then we did a black paint enhancement with our Clarity final polish and a white pad on a dual action polisher. Now, if your vehicle has swirl marks and scratches, it's super important to paint correct or restore the car as much as you can. So when you apply the ceramic coating, it's gonna give a good bond and a great look with a magnificent gloss on any color. Now, black shows everything, so we made sure that we did a complete paint correction to make sure that this thing looks as best as it can look before we put on the coating. So come in guys, let's show you guys how to apply the coating. So what we need to apply the coating today is we're gonna use our Evolution ceramic coating. We're also gonna use a premium microfiber applicator pad. And then we're also gonna use some fluffy finish microfiber towels. I love this for soft black paint just like this to keep it looking good. So first thing you wanna do is take your Evolution ceramic spray sealant and shake it up. We're gonna turn it on. And if you have a new bottle like this, you're just gonna go ahead and prime the sprayer before you start. Now make sure your surface is clean, and then we're gonna take our applicator pad and we're gonna saturate the applicator pad with the ceramic coating. That way we get a nice bond and a spread on the product. So come in close guys, let's show you guys how we apply it. We're gonna take our microfiber applicator pad and we're just gonna spread it on the paint. You see how easy it spreads on there? That's the kind of coverage we wanna get. You wanna just get overlapping 50-50 lines. And we use an applicator pad because it gets that nice spread. And we've ceramic coated the rest of this car, so we're finishing it off with the hood and the fenders to make sure that we get a nice seal on the paint. And that way our paint stays looking good. I'll move over here for you guys. And look how just a few sprays does this whole hood. So if you guys are a professional detailer or you got a fleet or you got multiple cars, one bottle is gonna do the majority of your cars. And this bottle goes a long way and it works on paint, glass, stainless steel, aluminum. We're gonna do the headlights just like that. And we'll do the front of the bumper right here. And the cool thing about ceramic coating like this is it doesn't dry white. So you can put it on the vehicle, it's not gonna dry. And we're gonna make sure that it doesn't have any of those dry wax residue marks in between the cracks. If you guys are detailing an older car that's been waxed, you might notice that there might be all these little drips in the wax cracks that are like dried wax. Ceramic coating doesn't do that, so it's gonna keep your black car looking great. Now after we apply the ceramic coating on this, we only need to wait like 5 to 10 seconds to allow the coating to bond. And if you guys come in close, you'll notice when the coating has started to bond because you'll get areas like these that are actually cured out right there. And that way we know that the area is ready to go. And you can see if you need a little bit more, add it and spread it on. But we're waiting a few seconds and it's bonding to the paint. Ceramic coating instantly bonds, which is super cool. So now let's take a microfiber towel. When I buff off ceramic coatings, I really like to use one of these microfibers. This is our fluffy finish blue microfiber towel. It's extra fluffy and extra soft. And then we're just gonna go ahead and buff like this, light circles, okay? And then look at that. We just buff off the ceramic coating and it's gonna give that high gloss shine. There we go. And the cool thing about this coating is it's auto leveling, so it's not going to give any high spots or low spots. And it's so easy to apply to the car. So you can apply this to the paint, the glass, the wheels. You can apply this to bumpers, headlights, taillights, all exterior surfaces of the car. And already that black paint is just looking fantastic. And I'm making sure that I'm just being gentle because black paint scratches so easily. You use a bad towel, you're gonna scratch that black paint. So that's why I recommend purchase premium microfiber towels just like this. Flip your towel often and you're gonna have a great shine. Just look at the shine we're getting. Fantastic, man. You can even do this outside. We're inside the shop today, but you could do this in the sun. Just make sure that it's a nice cool day or go to the shade and you'll be good to go. There we go. Just check out that shine, man. Now, I like doing this in real time so you guys can see how it works. I'm going to flip my towel over to a clean side, and there we go. Now we're getting some good buff. You want to go ahead and flip your towel often because your towel will get filled with the ceramic coating after you buff it off. So you just want to make sure you get that nice, beautiful finish. Oh man, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a feel with my hand. So smooth. Oh my gosh, so smooth. I don't want to leave any fingerprints on that, but this thing is so smooth. It literally feels like glass, which is so crazy, guys. There we go, guys. Now this shine is truly fantastic. And look how easy we're able to buff off that ceramic sealant. And this car just looks insanely deep. Now the Evolution ceramic coating gives a fantastic gloss, not just to black cars, but to all cars. But if you want the best ceramic coating for your black car, this is the one to use. Now, after you use the ceramic coating like the Evolution ceramic, the only thing you gotta do next time is wash your car with the Evolution ceramic auto wash. This is an Si02 infused auto wash that's gonna maintain the coating and keep it working great. Plus, we also have our Masterson's ceramic spray sealant, which is a quick detailer sealant combo, which allows you to maintain your vehicle during the washes. Now your black car can stay looking good for years with our Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. And if you guys like the look, go head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and pick up all your ceramic coating accessories and products to get the job done. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.